Happy Halloween! Are you busy with preparing for it? Please do not ignore the detail. Are you still using normal package of condom? It doesn't match the vibe of Halloween. Just look at what's in our box. Yes, it's our funny and scared package condom. Let's take out for checking. Our new package condom made of best natured rubber, and we also add high quality lubricant to promise best using feeling. The strength and extension is pretty good. And it's also not easy to break, even use our nails to poke it. For our condom, we accept OEM order. If you have any interest in it, just contact with us for more detail.